Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Before the wrath of nature, three men rest in peace. On the other hand, the superheroes have no power, can only watch the fence ascend, and what can they do? Wow, the tree has proven to man that flying does not necessarily require wings. Boom! The tree collapsed like a mini earthquake, causing everything around to shake like something out of an action movie. Wow, the tree stump just fell down with a boom, creating an underwater fireworks display, just like a show at a water park. Oh no, this tree could sign up for a professional wrecking crew. Instead of falling into an empty lot, it chose the roof as its resting spot. When the tree fell, he did not hesitate to continue sawing it into small pieces, as if he was cleaning up the garden. He ran away quickly before the tree fell. He is a professional tree sawyer, not only good at sawing trees, but also good at avoiding falling trees. Oh my God, it's like this tree is trying to send a message. Your car is beautiful, but I think it needs a little more natural style. The truck must be thinking, who says I don't have a tree protection layer? Boom! The tree fell down with a loud bang. Branches and leaves flew everywhere as if nature was throwing a surprise fireworks party. The tree may be big and strong, but when it encounters a decisive blow from a car, it can only fall down, surprising all of nature. After being demolished, the world suddenly had only 7 wonders left instead of 8 like before, because the giant tree was no longer a wonder. Wow, the tree pieces were flying around as if the tree was throwing a surprise party, only lacking the lively background music to make the atmosphere more epic. The saw certainly did not want to leave this tree, as if it was engaged in a long-term love affair with the giant trunk. Oh no, when the tree fell, its top fell straight onto the car next to it, as if the tree decided to send a dramatic hello to the car. Wow, the scene was like a natural bowling match. Each tree falling down created a resounding bang, making the whole forest look like it was participating in a tree falling competition. Perfect. Everything was remote controlled. This worker must be a master at tree removal. If you are afraid of heights, you definitely cannot do this job, because as soon as you climb to the top of the tree, you will shiver, and even a slight wind will make your heart feel like it is falling before the log. Wow, he must have done this 100 times, so cutting down 3 trees at once was no problem. It's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. When a big tree falls down majestically, it also pulls down a small tree unwillingly. You must admit that his tree felling skills are top-notch. Everything is precise down to the centimeter. Oh my God, the harness saved him spectacularly. Otherwise, he would be starring in the emergency room right now. Maybe he's thinking, cutting trees is just a side job. My main job is a stuntman. Oh my God, the worker looked like he was performing a swaying dance in the sky. Luckily, this performance didn't end in a free fall. Luckily, his role didn't end up as the victim. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.